Today we are going to learn how to make families in Empower. That means creating guardians and students. These users need to be associated with each other. For example, you can't make a student who doesn't have any guardian. So even if you make a sham guardian, they have to be associated with some adult. So we do that here in the Empower Tools menu. Scroll down to the Family Profile tool. And in this tool, we can look up families, edit them, all of that. And once you know how to create them, you'll know how to do all of that. But you can see here, I could select sites and search for them, etc. But today we are going to create a new family by adding new guardians and learners. The build a guardian form is pretty easy. Really all you need here is a first name and a last name. So we're going to put Tywin Lannister. You could give emails, all of that if you'd like to. It's good to know, for example, if you're building a teacher who has students working, who has students that go attend the school, and so they need a teacher and a parent account, you associate them if they have the same email address. So if this guardian account has the same email address as a teacher account, then that's how Empower will know they're the same person, and that user will be able to toggle between. Today we're not going to do any of that, and none of these other fields are required, so we're just going to leave them. I'm going to save this. And there we are. We've got Tywin Lannister built. It's given him a username. I could manage this, give Tywin a password if I want to. But now I'm ready to build out his family. So there's going to be tabs here. This is basically the Lannister family, and I could add existing learners if I've already got some built there. We're going to add a new learner. The learner form is a bit more complicated. Let's build ourselves Jaime Lannister, and we'll just make up a date for birth here. Jaime's a boy. Again, a lot of fields here, not required. If they're required, they've got a little star next to them. So was this child's previous at the district? No, it probably went to Casterly Rock. State learner ID, if you've got that, good for you. If not, just mash the old keyboard. This is how Empower knows this person. So this needs to be a unique number, something else that's not in the system. Guardian type, graduation type, just pick one. And this doesn't have an asterisk, but it is required. How is this adult related to this student? This is his father. Has the child been eligible for special ed? No. Again, lots of fields here you could fill out if you'd like, but you don't have to. And then finally a little section here. Percent enrolled, we're going to put 100. There they are enrolled. Date enrolled, that's fine. You could put today's date, whatever the case may be. What site does this student attend? We'll put Jaime in Hogwarts. Grade in the new school year. Okay, so Jaime's going to be a 10th grader. And the status date, it's fine, just leave it as today. And say okay. There, we've done it. We're going to go back to the top and save. Now we've got it. Here's Jaime. Now Jaime has a username. I could give Jaime his password, etc. If you're making a bunch of people, of course, you can manage them in the batch password tool, which is covered in another video. But now if I wanted to, I could add a new learner. I can make his sister Cersei or Tyrion. If I wanted to, make this whole family here. Put in his wife if I wanted to, so I could add a new guardian and make different relationships, and if they've got an aunt or a grandma or someone, we can of course associate them by that relationship. And that's a family. These users will now be available. I could now go and find Jaime and put him in a group and give him scores, etc., etc. So hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.